Yeah, you can call me Chuck Chandler.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
He goes on TikTok and he does lives and engages with people on apologetics. He's pretty good at it.
There he is.
Right?
I like how I jinxed us. I said we will have no technical difficulties. Oh, yeah. That's
Hello?
good.
Hello?
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 Stop.
Because that was actually quite fun because of the amount of nonsense. Just, I haven't done this enough. I'm still not.
I wouldn't know what to do, so you're ahead of me.
It is Sarah Allen.
Or Alan.
So, Sarah, this is Chandler. You're going to have to do more reaction videos to him.
Yeah, we are.
Personally, the coming forth of the Book of Mormon is one of the biggest reasons I believe God is real. I haven't found a naturalistic explanation for how Joseph did it, and neither have the critics. They've been changing their arguments and stories for almost 200 years, and the book still stands. To me, it remains one of the greatest witnesses that God is real and that he desires a loving relationship with every single one of us.
Hopefully I can make it through it this time. When the Savior referred to his brothers and his friends, they were those who were unified with him and one in his gospel, proclaiming and defending it. Chandler was our brother and our friend, and we will miss him. We love you, Chuck.
If you're a Latter-day Saint, learn to defend the faith. Okay. 2, be proud of your faith. So to end, guys, just remember, keep your knees on the ground, your eyes towards heaven, because Christ is always there and he loves you. God bless.